In front of me is Tank 3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by launching Photos app. Then select Allow or Don't Allow in the pop-up. Close any ad that you might see. And select Photos or Library at the bottom. Now hold any photo that you wish to delete, and to pick multiple right away, use those type of dots at the top right corners. To exclude some of your photos, click on the chosen ones. And to delete the rest, use bin icon at the bottom, or in case of library section, at the top. When you finished, hit OK and select Move to Bin. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!